Alright, here we go. Sprag clutches in. Also did the 4-gauge wire upgrade for the positive and negative side of the world. New spark plugs. Also found that the pulse sensor vacuum line was so loose I could pull it on and off at both ends with just my fingers, no clamps or anything like that holding it on. Let's see how this goes. Testing okay. Looking like that. Looking like that. Gotta pull the clutch, darn it. There. Oh. Hoorah! And there we go. Nice. And we'll see how it goes from here.